My hair was getting weaker day by day until I tried a hair care recipe shared by a famous Korean artist already over 50, and the results truly amazed me. Today, I want to share with you a natural hair care secret that many Korean women over 50 rely on to keep their hair thick, strong, and shiny. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. The first ingredient in today's hair nourishing recipe is carrot. Prepare 1 fresh carrot and grate it into fine, thin strands. In Indian Ayurveda, carrot is considered an ingredient that helps soothe inflammation, rejuvenate dry skin, and stimulate circulation. In ancient Korea, people also used carrot juice as a kind of natural nourishment for the hair, helping it become softer and shinier. Thanks to its long history of use across many cultures, carrot is still regarded today as one of the safest and most effective natural ingredients for both skin and hair. Once you finish grating, place all the carrots into a small pot. This is an important step because we're about to begin gently heating the mixture to extract the nutrients, a process that helps strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and make it softer and smoother after just a few uses. Next, pour about 150 ml of olive oil into the pot. Olive oil is widely used in hair care because it contains vitamin E omega-9 and healthy fatty acids. When heated together with the carrot, the olive oil helps draw out the nutrients more effectively, creating a rich mixture that deeply nourishes the scalp, softens dry and brittle strands, and repairs damaged areas of the hair. Olive oil also helps boost your hair's natural shine, reduce breakage, and make your hair look healthier in just a short period of time. Place the pot on the stove and heat it over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent the carrot from burning and to help the nutrients blend evenly into the oil. I actually learned this recipe from a well-known Korean actress, and I was genuinely surprised by how restorative it is for the hair. How about you? Do you have any beauty tips of your own? Share them below so everyone can learn from one another. When the mixture starts to heat up and you notice the oil turning a light orange-yellow color, that means the nutrients from the carrot have infused into the olive oil. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Once cooled, strain it through a fine sieve or a clean cloth to remove the carrot pulp, keeping only the clear oil. This is pure carrot-infused oil, rich in vitamins A and E, along with powerful antioxidants, an ideal natural treatment for your hair. With consistent use, this oil helps strengthen weak hair, reduce breakage, soften dry strands, and make your hair look fuller and healthier over time. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. This type of salt is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which help deep clean the scalp, reduce clogged hair follicles, and support the natural hair growth process. This allows the follicles to breathe, absorb nutrients better, and grow stronger, thicker, and faster. Mix well until everything is fully combined. Before using, make sure to test a small amount on the inside of your wrist. If you don't notice any irritation, redness, or itching, you can feel completely safe to use it. Pour the oil into a clean glass jar, seal it tightly, and store it in a cool place away from direct sunlight to keep it fresh as long as possible. Each time you use it, simply apply a small amount to your scalp and along the entire length of your hair before shampooing. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes to let your hair fully absorb the nutrients and repair itself from root to tip. then wash with a gentle shampoo to remove the remaining oil, leaving your hair soft and refreshed. If you've tried this recipe before, feel free to share your experience. I'd love to hear how it has transformed your hair. Here's a little bonus recipe for you. A simple yet incredibly effective tonic made from yeast and fresh milk. This powerful combination helps strengthen the scalp, boost hair growth, and make your hair look fuller over time. First, prepare 1 packet of active dry yeast, about 10 grams. Yeast is rich in B vitamins, especially B3 and B5, which help stimulate the hair follicles, nourish the scalp, and reduce hair weakness and breakage. Add 200 milliliters of fresh milk and stir well until the mixture blends smoothly. Fresh milk helps soothe and nourish the scalp thanks to its natural proteins, B vitamins, and lactic acid. These nutrients help soften the scalp, reduce dryness and itchiness, and provide the moisture needed for stronger, shinier roots. Milk also cleanses gently, keeping the scalp clear so it can absorb nutrients more effectively. And, of course, we can't skip the egg white, the ingredient that boosts the power of this mixture many times over. Egg white is rich in natural protein and enzymes that help cleanse the scalp, remove excess oil, and unclog the hair follicles. Its natural collagen also helps improve hair elasticity, making each strand stronger, less prone to breakage, and noticeably shinier. Next, add a small amount of olive oil and mix everything. Olive oil helps soften the mixture, boost moisture retention, and nourish the scalp more deeply. Stir well until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. And just like that, you now have a powerful and easy-to-use hair tonic. Tag your best friend who needs this recipe so both of you can enjoy natural hair care together. You can store the mixture in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. The application is the same as the first recipe. Whenever you need to use it, simply give the mixture a gentle stir and apply it to your hair. This recipe is simple but incredibly effective. When caring for your hair at home, the most important thing is consistency and choosing the right ingredients. Just spending 5 minutes each evening gently massaging your scalp can help boost circulation, stimulate the hair follicles, and support faster, stronger, and thicker hair growth over time. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.